Just a rainy Monday, sitting at our table. 2 cups and an empty chair. You'll be gone till Sunday, everything's unstable. I was unprepared, the colors don't look quite the same, and the wind keeps whispering your name. If the world looks different, then it's you to blame. Oh yeah. So I count the minutes, I count the days, I count the stars and all the ways I feel your touch when you'll be back to stay. Oh yeah. Call you every night, I say that I'm alright, but I miss you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Gala Adija, if you're new, my name is Adija, I'm a mom of 3, I'm a Kenyan YouTuber. So guys, I just want to share with you what I've gotten for our 2 weeks grocery shopping haul, like vegetables. Actually vegetables, it's not all about supermarket stuff, it's all about vegetables guys. So I've restocked for 2 weeks or 3, I think 2 weeks or 3, like yeah, kitungu, onions and tomatoes, like 2 to 3 weeks, because I'm just restocking guys. So yeah, I couldn't shoot when I was in the market. Today is the Sabasaba day, so I didn't go to job because hakukuwa na magari. So yeah, I got an off, yeah. So I decided to go and shop because we don't know about the mandamano, the Sabasaba thing, when it will last. Yeah, so and as you know, my tripod phone holder broke, so I will just share with you. Yeah, nishazipanga kwa shelf, so nitaonesha Kenya nimepata. So if you are new, consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always being here. And you guys, yeah, I think I've not been able to pass by your videos. I've been sick. I think this is the week I'm recovering with the kids, but yeah, I'm going to catch up with the videos and do the necessary thing. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get into this video. Yeah. So guys, I've gotten these greens, mboga za kienyeji, for 300 shillings. This is 100. This is terere. This is managu. This is another deremind terere, and then there is saga here. So this one will take us like 3 days in this house. I'm going to remove it with my nanny, and then I'm going to boil it. And then I got minchi. 2 kgs was around 100. Yeah, no, it was Sabasaba. People were rushing their own stock, so I think things were affordable in that market today. So this is minchi. Yeah, I got 2 kgs for 200 shillings. I get 4 kgs for 200 shillings. And then I got tomatoes. These tomatoes are for 100 bob. You guys, you can see it's a lot. And then I got 2 kgs of onions. Yeah, and then I got 1 crate of eggs. This is eggs. And then I got these oranges. One was around for this one, the 4 was 50 bob, 50 Kenyan shillings. And then I got this is a gorget. I got this one was around 20 bob, so I got 400 shillings. And then I got pilipili. This is pepper, you guys. Pilipili. This is pilipili. And then this is green hoho, capsicum, and this is dania. Yeah, 1 capsicum was 10 bob. And then I got this big sahumu. I got this big sahumu. 1 was 25 shillings, so I got 3. I got lemon. 1 was 10 bob. This is lemon, guys. And then I got avocados, you guys. These avocados, I got 1 was 20 bob. And then I got carrots for 300 shillings. There are still other carrots in this bag here. They could not fit here. And then guys, I got watermelon. It's half. This is a whole half of our watermelon, so for our juice. Yeah, and this one, then I decided to go with pineapple. 1 was around 100 shillings, and this was 100. So it was a whole half. I just cut it so that it can be carried easily, so I got it around 200. And then guys, this is fish. Don't know whether you see it well. That is fish. that is fish that we are going to have for our dinner. So guys, that is what I got. And then this is potatoes and KFGs. There you go. So guys, that is what I've gotten. Yeah, that is our grocery shopping haul. Yeah, so that will take us like 2 to 3 weeks, because I'm restocking, guys. But for the fruits, I'm going to restock every week, because I want for the juice. It's winter, and you know, you have to have juice for the immune for the kids, so that not to be sick, mahoma. Yeah, ile homa isiwashike, because it is cold and the same time it's very dusty in our area, so we have to keep ourselves with some juice. So that is what I've gotten. That is what I've gotten. Yeah, that is what I've gotten, guys. That is what I've gotten. That is what I've gotten, guys. Yeah, from that far, everything you can see there. Yeah, just vegetables. Our grocery area before restocking. You can see we still have tomatoes over there. We still have more onions. We still have a pumpkin over there. These are from my farm. These are passion fruits, you guys. Nimetoa kwa shamba yangu, and then you can see, guys, this is the only ginger I left, and the sahumu, and then you can see the tomatoes that we have. We were not that empty, so but I want to restock, you guys, you know. Yeah, for the kids not to miss the food. Yeah, that's how still see the fridge is empty. I cleaned it yesterday. You can see the fridge is kind of empty. Yeah, so I'm still going to restock there. And then this is how the freezer part is looking. So I'm restocking the fridge as well with those vegetables, guys. And for the eggs, guys, this is what we've been left with. So you can see the crate, this top crate is empty, so we still have 3. So I'm going to restock with you guys. So stay tuned and see what happens.
You're pulling on my walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out.
So guys, I've already blended the juice there. That is watermelon and pineapple juice. Yeah, so we are going to have that one before our dinner. It is in the evening, guys, and I love juicing at that time, guys. Yes, that is the juice. And then I'd cut green peppers, carrots, onions, tomatoes. I want to blend them. Yeah, because we are going to cook fish, I want to blend them so that we can have that thick soup. Yeah, so if you are new, consider subscribing. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always supporting my content. And guys, yeah, it's in the evening, so I just want to prepare that delicious meal, guys. Yeah, today we are going to have ugali, fish and greens, so stay tuned for this recipe. And you guys, on the other side, I was boiling the greens that I got from the market, you guys. Yeah, so they're almost ready there. And then, guys, it's time to fry the soup so that I can add it to the fish, you guys. The fish is already fried from the market, guys. Yeah, so I'm using that ghee to cook our fish soup. Yeah, so for the blended vegetables, the soup, I'm going to cook that soup over there, guys. So I'm using ghee. Yeah, so remember to subscribe, give me a positive comment, and share me out if you can. So no more talking, just see what I did.
You're pulling on my walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping close. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you find it, I've been too much on your plate. I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name.
So guys, that is the fish that I got from the market. Yeah, we are around 5 in the house, so I got enough fish so that everyone can just eat and feel satisfied, you guys. Yeah, so yeah, I was missing, we were craving for fish with my kids, guys, so today I just want to have them that delicious meal. Yeah, and so stay tuned and see how I usually cook the fish. Yeah, I usually get it from one of a lady in the market. I only trust that lady when it comes to fish, so I usually get fried fish from her. And then guys, I already cooked the soup, and then I just poured the soup on top of the fish, and then I just place it on a low heat so that it can just cook softly. That is how I usually cook the fish when it's many like that. Yeah, so that is what I did to that delicious fish. I usually blend the vegetables and then I fry the soup, and then I put on top. On the other side, I want to fry greens. So for the greens, because they are already steamed, I am starting with cooking the tomatoes, onions, spices. Yeah, and then I'm going ahead to add let it simmer for 3 minutes, and then I'm going to add my steamed greens, you guys. Here, so that is what I'm going to do there, guys. Bear with me that I doesn't have a phone holder. I'm using just my hand to shoot the video, guys. Yeah, but I think enough is enough. I'm just going to get either a ring light with a phone holder or a full tripod with ring light. Yeah, so as the greens were cooking, you guys, I was taking a cup of juice. I love blended juice so much, guys. It was very yummy, and it was not that sugary, because when I don't had sugar in blended juice, guys. Yeah, so that is what I'm doing. I was just feeling thirsty, guys. And on the other side, it's time to cook ugali. Yeah, and for the ugali, we are going to have that ugali afia flour. Yeah, so that, yeah, because of my health, you guys. Yeah, so that is what I cooked dinner for my family, you guys. Yes, and they really enjoyed, guys. If there's one thing I love in my life is cooking delicious meals for my family. So that is our dinner. Everything is ready. You can see I had already served them, everyone, a cup of juice. Now it's time to serve them the delicious African Kenyan meal, that is ugali, greens, and fish stew, guys. Yeah, so the fish was really appetizing. Yeah, and then the greens, you guys, if there's something I love is that greens, our African greens, you guys. Mboga za kienyeji, in Kenya we call it mboga za kienyeji, you guys. They are very delicious with ugali, and then the ugali is ready over there. So I'm going to take off the kasufuria from there, and then I'm going to kick off with serving the food. So if you are new, consider subscribing, give this video a like, and tell me what you think about my recipe, you guys. Yeah, I know many people usually love my fish recipe, so today, guys, it's a full meal recipe, and the soup is there. Yeah, I don't usually add the whole soup in the fish. I usually remain some so that if the kids want a soup, it's there ready for them. So that is what we served. We served fish, ugali, avocado, and greens. It was a balanced diet.